Hello, welcome to the eSchool English vocabulary practice. You will learn new vocabulary, improve your listening and reading skills in English. Now, let's get started. What do you do? He is a chef. He is a chef. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. He is a police officer. He is a police officer. She is a waitress. She is a waitress. He is a clown. He is a clown. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. He is a pilot. He is a pilot. He is a banker. He is a banker. She is a flight attendant. She is a flight attendant. He is a postman. He is a postman. She is a veterinarian. She is a veterinarian. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. He is a firefighter. He is a firefighter. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. He is a soldier. He is a soldier. He is a bus driver. He is a bus driver. She is a taxi driver. She is a taxi driver. She is a singer. She is a singer. He is a mechanic. He is a mechanic. She is a housewife. She is a housewife. She is a saleswoman. She is a saleswoman. He is a customs officer. He is a customs officer. He is a dentist. He is a dentist. She is an artist. She is an artist. He is an actor. He is an actor. She is an actress. She is an actress. He is a photographer. He is a photographer. He is a detective. He is a detective. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. He is a waiter. He is a waiter. She is a student. She is a student. He is a paramedic. He is a paramedic. She is a geisha. She is a geisha. She is a painter. She is a painter. He is a boxer. He is a boxer. He is a lifeguard. He is a lifeguard. She is a gardener. She is a gardener. She is a housekeeper. She is a housekeeper. She is a construction worker. She is a construction worker. He is a magician. He is a magician. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. He is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. He is an architect. He is an architect. He is an electrician. He is an electrician. He is a doorman. He is a doorman. He is a train conductor. He is a train conductor. He is handyman. He is handyman. He is a repairman. He is a repairman. She is a pirate. She is a pirate. He is a fisherman. He is a fisherman. She is a builder. She is a builder. He is a hunter. He is a hunter. She is a surgeon. She is a surgeon. He is a salesman. He is a salesman. He is a greengrocer. He is a greengrocer. He is an author. He is an author. She is a scientist. She is a scientist. She is an acrobat. She is an acrobat. He is an astronomer. He is an astronomer. He is a priest. He is a priest. He is a blacksmith. He is a blacksmith. He is a barber. He is a barber. He is a butcher. He is a butcher. He is a lawyer. He is a lawyer. He is a musician. He is a musician. She is a reporter. She is a reporter. She is a dancer. She is a dancer. She is a receptionist. She is a receptionist. He is a defendant. He is a defendant. He is a suspect. He is a suspect. She is defense attorney. She is defense attorney. He is a witness. He is a witness. She is a court report. She is a court report. He is a judge. He is a judge. He is a poet. He is a poet. He is a potter. He is a potter. She is a tailor. She is a tailor. He is a writer. He is a writer. He is an auditor. He is an auditor. He is a baker. He is a baker. He is a barrister. He is a barrister. He is a beggar. He is a beggar. He is a captain. He is a captain. He is a constable. He is a constable. She is a hairdresser. She is a hairdresser. She is a cashier. She is a cashier. She is a casino dealer. She is a casino dealer. He is a bodyguard. He is a bodyguard. He is a robber. He is a robber. He is a thief. He is a thief. He is a hacker. He is a hacker. He is a YouTuber. He is a YouTuber. She is a cleaner. She is a cleaner. He is a president. He is a president. He is a calligrapher. He is a calligrapher. He is a druggist. He is a druggist. He is a hawker. He is a hawker. He is a jeweler. He is a jeweler. He is a real estate agent. He is a real estate agent. He is a goldsmith. He is a goldsmith. He is a rich man. He is a rich man. He is a millionaire. He is a millionaire. She is a landlord. She is a landlord. He is an accountant. He is an accountant. She is a grocery clerk. She is a grocery clerk. He is a biologist. He is a biologist. She is a florist. She is a florist. He is a professor. He is a professor. She is a web designer. She is a web designer. She is a journalist. She is a journalist. He is a hotel worker. He is a hotel worker. She is an office worker. She is an office worker. He is a computer programmer. He is a computer programmer. He is a street vendor. He is a street vendor. He is a factory worker. He is a factory worker. He is a miner. He is a miner. He is a bellboy. He is a bellboy. He is a gas station attendant. He is a gas station attendant. He is a speaker. He is a speaker. He is a delivery man. He is a delivery man. She is a pharmacist. She is a pharmacist. He is a politician. He is a politician. He is a tour guide. He is a tour guide. He is an entrepreneur. He is an entrepreneur. She is a ballet dancer. She is a ballet dancer. He is a plumber. He is a plumber. He is an astronaut. He is an astronaut. He is a foreman. He is a foreman. He is a cobbler. He is a cobbler. He is a client. He is a client. He is confectioner. He is confectioner. After learning the job vocabularies, what do you do? Please let me know in the comment. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.